here.
You didn't know that cord is for emergency purposes only. And in case you weren't aware, tonight is Christmas Eve. If you hadn't noticed, this train is on a very tight schedule now, young man. Christmas may not be important to some people, but it is very important to the rest of us.
But, he was just trying to stop the train so that kid could get on.
I see. Young man, is that what happened? Well, let me remind you, we are on a very tight schedule.